Guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually coming to you guys from my kitchen. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 of my favorite juicing recipes. I've been doing these a ton. This is like my favorite. They taste so good. You guys will love these. I've been incorporating juices a lot in my diet and I figured I would show you guys them today. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I infuse some of my water, how to make it taste a little bit better too, in case some of you guys don't like the taste of water, because I know there's people out there that just hate the taste of water. So I am going to be showing you guys all of that today and I really hope you guys do enjoy it. So if you guys want to see all of my juicing recipes and so forth, then just keep on watching. Alright, so our first juice requires spinach, mango, orange, and water. And we're going to start off with 2 cups of water. Then we are adding in 2 cups of fresh spinach. About a cup of mango, but you can certainly eyeball this because I don't really think it's easy to measure exactly a cup. And then we're adding 1 full orange, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the cap on to blend this together. So make sure when you do put it in the blender that you let it go for a little bit, that way it runs completely and everything is smoothly blended out. You don't want no chunks and no nothing like that. Alright, so then after I'm done blending, I like to strain the juices. A lot of people say that you should leave all the ingredients in there if you want to, just because of all the nutrients that it entails. But I like to strain it just because I don't like the texture, so I like the smoothness of a juice. So feel free to strain it if you guys would like to. That's my personal preference. And then after I'm all done, I will just go ahead and pour them into mason jars. This is my favorite way of storing them. It keeps them longer and it's better than putting it in plastic. Alright, so this next juice includes spinach, lemon, pineapple, orange, and cucumber along with water. So again, we're going to add 2 cups of water. We're going to also add 2 cups of fresh spinach. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a half a cucumber, and then I'm also going to add in 2 cups of pineapple. And then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze half a lemon into this mixture as well. I'm also going to do the same thing with a full orange, squeezing that into the mixture as well. Alright, so you can go ahead and blend that all together again, just like you did the first one. Make sure you blend it out nicely, that way there's no chunks. And like the first one, I'm going to go ahead and strain this mixture too. Sometimes if I feel the need to, I will take like a spatula or something and I will go ahead and just kind of like push the juices through and kind of move around the pulp. That way all the juices really get through and everything that I want gets into the mixture. And then of course just pouring it into mason jars. Alright, and this last juice is my all-time favorite. It's pineapple, carrot, ginger, orange, lemon, and water. I'm going to add 2 cups of water along with a bunch of carrots. So this is probably like 1.5 cups to 2 cups of carrots. I would say more 1.5 cups. And then I'm going to add in half a lemon. So then I'm going to add a full orange as well as a cup of pineapple. I was going to use apple. I originally used apple for the recipe, but I like the pineapple better. It just gives it more sweeter taste, so I kind of suggest the pineapple. And then I'm going to add a clove of ginger to this and blend it all together. The ginger really helps give it a nice like zingy taste to it. I love this. This is my all-time favorite juice. You guys need to make this. Out of all 3, I would try this one first because it's like literally my favorite. I love it so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain it out and then pour it into mason jars again. So now we're moving on to our infused waters. This is a great alternative if you guys just hate the taste of water and want a little flavor added to it. So I'm going to go in with blueberry water. Basically, it's super easy. I just like to kind of stab the blueberries a little bit with a fork, just kind of so the taste really comes out. And then I will just add a handful into the cup and pour some water over it. Super simple and easy. Literally, guys, this takes 2 seconds. You guys can do it in the morning before you go to work or school. Another great one is watermelon water. I'm just adding a handful of watermelon to this and then obviously pouring some water over it. This one I think is definitely my favorite just because I love watermelons so much and it just adds a great flavor to it and it tastes so good. So this one's probably my favorite. And the last one is cucumber water. Super simple and easy. This one's a very popular one. Everybody knows this. So just adding a handful of cucumber to the bottom, and then I will just pour water over top. Alright guys, so these are the completed juices and waters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you tried them out, please let me know on Instagram or Snapchat. I would love to hear your feedback. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!